Nyothrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. A press briefing called by the Nationalist People's Party after having won 2 seats in the by-elections witnessed the presence of the party president and Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister PRESTONE TYNSONG, Cabinet Minister SNIAWBHALANG DHAR, besides other party workers. Addressing the media, Conrad Sangma said that the victory of all MDA candidates is proof of the people's mandate and the trust and faith having reposed by them in the government of the day.
Realize that when you are stepping into a bus, you better be sure who the driver is and make sure that the driver sticks. Whereas in the Congress, there's a chance that exodus might take place and some of the main drivers or helpers may actually leave. So would anybody would want to go into a bus? And that's really what the fact is. So let us see. I think we don't need to talk much. I think the important part is that people have reposed their faith in this government. There has been a lot of negativity by the opposition in terms of making very, very nasty comments, and the reply need not be given by us but by the public themselves. And therefore, in all the different allegations they have made, they have themselves mentioned that this election will show the mandate and the true color of this government, and that's what has come out. So therefore, we don't want to say much. The public has spoken and the public has given their mandate. And once again, as the MPP, we would like to thank the people of these 3 constituencies for having reposed their faith and trust on the government.